Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good. Before we dive into the video, I want to remind you that you can learn without any payment right here on this channel. That's right. All my videos are completely free for you to watch and learn from. And don't worry, subscribing is absolutely free. Just hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of learners. Let's get started now. Today, I am going to show you about Now Assist in ServiceNow full learning path. Okay, in this video, I am going to show you the roadmap for the Now Assist, what we are going to learn in the upcoming videos. It's like many of you know that what is Now Assist, all these things, but some people don't know like from where to start and where to end and how do we proceed, all these things. Okay, so in this series, we will learn like from basics to like from scratch to some pro level automation. Like so, imagine like cutting the IT ticket resolution time in half just by using AI or building ServiceNow apps in minutes instead of hours. That's the power of Now Assist. But how do you actually use it? Where do you start? That exactly what this series will cover. Okay, so in this video, like I will walk you through everything you will learn in this complete Now Assist series from fundamentals to pro level automations. Okay, let's dive in. So what is Now Assist? Like, what even is Now Assist? It's ServiceNow's built-in generative AI that helps you to automate tasks, generate code, resolve IT ticket faster, and even answer employee questions. Okay, think of it like ChatGPT or some other APIs, but deeply integrate into ServiceNow workflows. There are like four kinds of parts, okay, especially in the service now. So those are like a generative AI. What is generative AI? Now assist fundamentals, now assist creators, now assist ITSM. So these are the courses in the it's available in the now learning also. Okay, so but so this is the order you need to follow. And so what will this series cover? So foundations we will cover. Okay, like in these foundations we are going to cover like introductions of generative AI and now assist ServiceNow. Like what is generative AI, how ServiceNow integrates AI with Now Assist, overview of Now Assist, fundamentals, creator ITSMs, okay, what is business use cases with examples. And Now Assist fundamental course, like how Now Assist works, key features and capabilities, licensing and access requirements, and setting up Now Assist in ServiceNow. To set up the Now Assist in ServiceNow, what are the prerequisites and activation steps? What is the basic configuration demo? Permission, what are the permissions and roles we need, okay, to access the Now Assist, all these things we will be covering the foundations. Okay, so you can find in many ways, but in this video you can find in the simplest way how everyone will like to understand. Okay, so it is not going reading textbooks like that. It's like getting the knowledge of real-time scenarios, and from the demo you will understand clearly what is what. Okay, so it saves times instead of reading books. And what will Now Assist Creator? The second phase is like Now Assist Creator. So in the Now Assist Creators, introductions and use cases, what is Now Assist? for creators, how it helps in app development, scripting, and workflows, demo, like generating scripts, flows with AI, how do we do it, everything. Okay. Um, it's like all these things. Some advanced Now Assist creator features also we will be covering, and Now Assist for ITSM. Now Assist for ITSM is like how AI improves the ITSM, okay, ITSM, virtual agent, incident summarizations, auto resolutions, and demo of AI-powered ticket handling. Okay, customizing of virtual agents, knowledge management, all these things. Okay, and the advanced topics, future, like it can be. So once the three phases are covered, then we will covering the advanced future topics like no assist for HR, CSM, FSM, or some other modules and integrations. Open AI, Microsoft Copilot, how do we do it? The integrations. So all these things we will be covering in this series. And what next? So in the next the first videos, the upcoming video, I will be talking about the introduction of generative AI and now assistant service now. Like as I said before, what is generative AI? What is the examples? How we use it? How in service now we use generative AI? Okay, what are the business use cases? What is the overview of now assist? So all this we will be covering in our first video. Okay, so I hope you will also learn the video, learn the information from the videos very easily. So I think if you want to see the follow-up videos in the, upcoming videos to be notified, please subscribe. Okay, so that will help me and help you also. Okay, so subscribing is free. Okay, so thank you. Don't miss out on the latest videos. All my videos are completely free for you to watch and learn from. Subscribing is absolutely free. Just hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of learners. If you ever have any questions or just want to connect, feel free to reach out to me on my Instagram. I would love to hear from you. Thank you.